All right, so I'm gonna upload this because came about a problem with my buddy's Jeep here. With it, keep on jumping up that lightning bolt light, which is it's saying there's a vacuum leak somewhere. Fucking, I really don't like Dodge or Chrysler much, but I'm gonna try to help him out. But so the methods to finding vacuum leaks vary. I don't prefer to use anything that has the words flammable on the can, propane, or what's the other ones? Brake fluid, starter fluid. Not a smart way to do it. So, and then I saw these other people doing methods where they're taking cigars and making a smoke machine. I thought that was a good idea, so I improvised because I don't like cigars. But I figured out how to make a smoke machine pretty easy. It didn't cost me nothing because I have a bratty nephew that smokes those electric cigarettes or the big huge smocks. And then I got me a Harbor Freight. What that is a Harbor Freight little like inner tube pump, kind of weak, little 20 volt. And got me a mod right here. Right, I have it set cranked at 600. And let's see if I can do it with it turned on. It's gonna be loud here, but I'll try to see if I can't get it to. You get the idea, right? I haven't done it yet. Sorry, slip. But it should be interesting. Hopefully that helps.